Hello my dear friends. So here we are at the Taj Mahal and we will be exploring the history and the mystery of this place. So let me find a guide for us. Let's see.
We are in the forecourt of Taj Mahal. There are four entrance gate of Taj.
Okay.
The gate became West Gate and opposite East Gate and that is South Gate.
Okay.
The front of us, which is Royal Entrance Gate of Taj, the height of this gate from the bottom to top 105 feet, about 35 meters. Now have a look at small domes, the cupola over there.
Yeah.
The small tiny domes.
Yeah.
11 on the front side, 11 just behind.
Okay.
11 plus 11 total 22. That symbolic took 22 years to build the Taj Mahal.
Okay.
Now beautiful inscription, the Quran, the writing around the arch, the black
Yeah.
writing, can you see there?
Yeah.
It is Arabic. Quotation of Quran, holy book of the Muslim.
Okay.
You know they written here Surat al-Fajr.
Surat al-Fajr.
That means the morning prayer.
Okay.
Now look at the beautiful flower design, which is you can see the colorful something. It's look like a painting and color. But there
Okay.
is no any painting at all. Real semi-precious stone inlaid into the white marble.
Okay.
Red stone, the flower what you can see, it is coral from Turkey.
Okay.
Black stone onyx from Belgium. The white is marble from Makarana in Rajasthan near Jaipur, 400 km far from here.
Okay.
Red sandstone, it is local stone brought Fatehpur Sikri, 40 km far from here.
Okay.
Back then, marble transport, camel cart, horse cart, elephant cart in 17th century. Now look at the small rooms. These are all 210 rooms. Back then, no any hotel, no any guest house. 20,000 people worker who built the Taj Mahal. Some of them used to live here.
This is called Sarai.
Sarai.
Okay.
Now it's empty, nobody stay here.
Yeah.
But the Mughal period, they never use any furnitures. at all.
Okay. Really?
They like to hang the curtains and the carpet on the floor.
Okay.
Summertime they use silk carpet because silk it's cooler.
Okay.
Winter time they use wool carpet, which is wool, it's warm.
Okay.
So no furniture at all in 17th century. Now the small arches come
Yeah.
inside the rooms. I would like to show you the small tiny arch.
Yeah.
This is used to be for two reasons. Ventilation, second oil lamp.
Okay.
No electricity power in 17th century. But the red sandstone every 5-6 years has been replaced because the red sandstone softer. Look at the chips come off as you can see.
Yeah.
Right? So marble doesn't need to replace at all.
Yeah.
Hygienic quality in the world. Indian marble which is from Makarana.
Okay.
Better than Italian marble.
Okay.
Makarana marble, 3 qualities.
Okay.
First, non-porous. Put the coffee, tea, cold drink, whatever. After polish, become white.
Okay.
Second, put the light translucent.
Okay.
Third, try to scratch with the points. Doesn't affect.
Okay.
It has crystal. Crystal means hard the marble. So which I am going to show you the crystal how the shining.
Okay.
So when you come in the morning, 6 a.m. sunrise, only I am talking about in the summertime the best view to see Taj Mahal. Not in the winter, it mist.
Okay.
You can't see, foggy in the December as well.
Okay.
Sunrise pinkish,
Okay.
sunset yellow, full moon milky white.
Wow.
That is why during the night, no any electricity light to show the light or some whatever. Just simple light with the marble.
Wow.
Rest of I'm gonna tell you.
And it shines.
Yes.
Wow.
This is the first verses of the Quran as you can see it on the arch.
Yeah.
Have you heard about the Kohinoor diamond, the biggest diamond in the world, which is still British Museum in London?
Yeah.
So look in the ceiling, the beautiful star-shaped design. This is called copy of Kohinoor diamond cutting design. They all done hammer and chisel,
Yeah.
right? Next entrance in Taj Mahal. Now look at the beautiful hanging lamp on the top.
Yeah.
This lamp presented by Lord Curzon. Lord
Okay.
Curzon, who was a British governor, he came in India 1905 to give Indian government archaeological survey of India.
Okay.
It has 4 material: copper, gold, brass, silver in the lamp. Gold was sold that time 15 rupees, 11.66 gram, but right now 52,000 rupees for 12 gram.
Okay.
here we go, the Taj Mahal. And let's go in the shade right over there.
Okay.
And I need to tell you the history of the Taj.
Okay.
The fountain are beautiful. It's used to work with the gravity system. In
Okay.
the gravity system, we have a big wall behind the, and a big water tank. So the people who pressure the water underground, then they work. But
Okay.
not very high because no pressure much.
Okay.
So they use very small. Now they use electric machinery.
Okay.
But sometimes it works, sometimes it's not work. So as you can see now it's still working. So that's good. So the main architect who designed the Taj Mahal, Muhammad Isa Khan Afandi.
Yeah.
Second architect, Muhammad Amanat Khan Shirazi from Iran. So one Turkey and second Iran who designed this beautiful building.
Okay.
1926, Mughals came from Mongolia.
Okay.
The name of the first Mughal emperor Babur, second Humayun, third Akbar, fourth Jahangir, and fifth Mughal of the king Shah Jahan.
Okay.
Sixth Aurangzeb, and last Bahadur Shah Zafar.
Okay.
These are all 7 Mughal emperor had a ruler in India approx 300 years.
Okay.
Babur, he was born in Samarkand, capital of Uzbekistan. After he moved Mongol to got married with Mongolian lady, he became Mongolian. When he
Okay.
came to India, he had a battle of Panipat. He did victory 1526. Then he had a ruler in India. Only 4 years. He died 1530.
Okay.
Then he brought the body buried Kabul in Afghanistan. Second Humayun, he buried in Delhi. Third Akbar, 15 kilometers far from here, we call Sikandara.
Okay.
Fourth Jahangir, he buried Lahore in Pakistan. Fifth Shah Jahan, he buried in Taj Mahal. Sixth Aurangzeb, he buried Aurangabad. And last Bahadur Shah Zafar, he buried Rangoon in Burma.
Okay.
Why he buried in Burma? Because British imprisoned him 2 years after he died, and he buried in Burma. So I meant to say all the Mughal buried different place around in Asia. Now have a look, beautiful brass pinnacle on the top. It was a gold actually.
Okay.
Now it is brass. So British took the gold, left on the brass. It's still British Museum in London.
Okay.
Taj Mahal has been construction 1631 to 1653. 22 years to build a Taj. Taj
Okay.
Mahal built by Shah Jahan and the memory of his beautiful wife Mumtaz. Shah Jahan has title name Shahabuddin Prince Khurram. Prince like a king, Khurram natural name according to the Muslim because Mughal are Muslim.
Yeah.
Mumtaz means beautiful according to the Arabic. Her title name Arjumand Bano Begum. She died childbirth, 14 children, 10 daughter, 4 son. Shah Jahan was married 4 wives actually.
Okay.
She was the last one.
Okay.
First wife, second wife, third wife, they couldn't have the children. Only Mumtaz 14. But I like to tell you something. People knows in the history as well, Shah Jahan got 3 wives. First wife and second wife, they couldn't have a children. Only Mumtaz had 14 children. First wife named Fatehpuri Begum. Second wife Sarhandi Begum. And the last Mumtaz Begum. Which is she's buried inside the building.
Okay.
So first 2 wives, those are Indian. And Mumtaz from Iran, Persia.
Okay.
That's
And-
why he loved a lot who given 14 children Mumtaz. So Taj Mahal, it's not real name. The Rozai Munawwara.
Wow.
Mumtaz Mahal. So Mumtaz ka Qabr. That's called Taj Mahal. It's beautiful. Taj means crown. Mahal means palace. So beautiful crown palace, the name of Taj Mahal. Basically, this is called Qabristan. Nobody live here. It's simple mausoleum as a graveyard. That's all. So
Okay.
king and the queen both are buried in Taj Mahal.
Okay.
Shah Jahan, the king, in prison. Hazrat Aurangzeb, he was the 3rd son of Shah Jahan. He imprisoned his father in Agra Fort 1658. After he died 1666, then he buried next to Mumtaz. Shah Jahan died 76 years old. Mumtaz died 39. Even she never saw Taj Mahal because she died first, then he built later on.
Yeah.
But according to the Islamic religion, the person who died, you have to bury it within 24 hours.
Okay.
She wasn't buried in 24 hours. So what happened? Her dead body, 6 months kept in Bahranpur, Madhya Pradesh, body was kept as a mummified. Then 6 months moved the body to kept in the garden. I'll show you the box later on.
Okay.
You can't see right here. So 6 months right there as a mummify. Then he moved the body to buried underneath. Then after Taj Mahal construction around the tomb.
Okay.
That's why we call symbol of now. You know, Agra was capital city during the Mughal dynasty.
Yeah.
That's why Taj Mahal built in Agra. Agra was named Akbarabad. Akbar, who was the third Mughal emperor, he made capital. And after moved Delhi, 1911, since never changed capital.
Wow.
Total area of Taj 42 acres and 16 garden, as you can see around here.
Okay.
The height of Taj from the bottom to top 81 meter, and have a look the pinnacle on the top, which is look like a couple of meters, but real size 10.6 meter.
Yeah.
Now the minaret 51 meter, but all of them look straight, but it's not a straight 3 degrees, slightly tilt bend. So architect was planned in the future any earthquake will become here, so minarets fall outside down, no inside the building, no damage to Taj. First of all, I like to tell you, as you can see the white marble, Taj made of marble, but underneath the base are made of tiny Roman brick, and
Okay.
after covered the marble later on.
Okay.
5.9 centimeter thickness of the marble.
Okay.
On the right hand side, the red and white building, that's called guest house, and opposite it is mosque. But look same, keep the balance because of symmetrical. So whichever
You mean
see
that's the
that-
guest house?
Yes.
Okay.
On the left, which is mosque.
Alrighty. So that side is the.
Why the mosque built on the left side? Because facing Mecca west.
Uh-huh.
In America or Europe or some other country which is east side. So facing Mecca west. So mosque is still active. Taj used to be Monday closed, but now Friday. Allowed only Muslim people to pray in the mosque.
Okay.
It's still active every Friday.
Yeah. So the locals come here.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Clear?
Yeah. Thank you. So this is the well.
This is a water well.
Okay.
So now beautiful dome, as you can see the shape, it's like an onion shape, right?
Mm-hmm.
But basically it's not a single dome, it is double dome. So one dome is inner dome like this, one on the top.
Uh-huh.
It has gap in the dome. If you say something, your voice become echo. So people who used to come read Quran, they understand what he reading, it is microphone system. So no microphone in 17th century. So this dome shape similar as Blue Mosque in Istanbul, Turkey.
So it is smaller from inside and
Bigger
broader
from
from outside.
Like this.
Yeah.
I'll show you when we go inside. Then you heard about your voice. It's become a 17-timer voice echo.
Mm-hmm.
Now, I would like to tell you about the foundation. So basically, Taj behind Yamuna River.
Yeah.
So beside the river, underneath 72 water wells.
Okay.
Then they put on it teak wood. Teak,
Okay.
very special wood. The wood, if touched in the water, becomes stronger, never destroyed.
Okay.
So the more it gets moisture, the more it gets life.
Yeah.
So 60 years ago, earthquake came, just start shake like that, but it wasn't a fact. Little
Yeah.
spring. So if wood will be dry in the future, Taj will be damaged. So they need more water in the foundation. So the basement, like wells, wood, rock, Roman bricks, then they build on the top. So Taj basically is standing with the water wells.
16th century Mason were more.
17th century.
Yeah. They were better than today.
The ring, as you can see in the dome, the hooks, kind of hooks,
Yeah.
the hooks, right? So this is, there is no space, no place to climb up, so they put the hooks to climb to clean the building.
Okay.
So every year Taj clean, once a year I mean to say, they use a special mud, it's called Multani Mitti, put on the marble and after covered plastic paper, when they remove, become white.
Okay.
So bottom part has been cleaned, but dome it's not clean yet, but they're going to be cleaned soon.
Okay.
The floor, this is called jasmine flower design, right? It's called Hindi Chameli ka Farsh.
Okay.
On the top, and there is a shining stone. It looks like a mirror, but this is a real semi-precious stone,
Okay.
which is inlet into the white marble. When you come in full moon to see this Taj Mahal and the sparkling all around the world.
So that golden thing is a stone.
No, golden thing also a stone that is called jasper, but I'm talking about the shining one. It is shell.
Okay.
The sparkling one. Can you see that?
Yeah.
And the golden one, jasper from India.
Okay.
That's also stone, semi-precious. entire the building of Taj, all the real gems. There is nothing painting at all here.
Okay.
This Arabic writing again, second verses of the Quran.
Okay.
This is called Surat-e-Yasin. The meaning, the heart of the Quran.
Okay. And this is the entire chapter.
Not entire chapter.
Okay, these are verses.
Verses. It's not complete yet. If you go around the building, then complete from this side. So 4 sides are Surat Yasin.
Okay.
The beautiful building, as you can see, it's a honeycomb design. The honeycomb, it's beautiful. They done hammer and chisel. Entire this arch, amazing marble with the honeycomb.
That's right. This is honeycomb.
Honeycomb.
Yeah.
And just come in the corner, as you can see, all the stone gems, which is inlaid in the white marble. Green is jet from China. Black onyx, Belgium. Red is coral, Turkey. The shining one from India. Jasper as well, India.
Okay.
So they dig out the stone with iron chisel, 2.5 millimeter deep, then stick one by one. Okay. Then after buffing and polish, it's become white again.
Wow.
And the carving is amazing. One piece, no joint again, done hammer and chisel. Look at this building. It is a tulip flower.
Okay. Yeah.
From Kashmir, right? But back then from Holland, and this time also we call from Holland. Tulip.
Okay.
So photography is prohibited inside. We cannot take picture.
Okay.
No any videos. We make video little bit. Downstairs there is a way for the real tomb Shah Jahan and Mumtaz who buried there. Below underneath replica on the top. So his son made replica tomb because in Islamic religion people cannot walk over the grave, they walk around the tomb. So his son made replica top over there.
Okay.
Clear? Smaller one tomb, that's Queen of the Mumtaz. Bigger one, King Shah Jahan, all replica, the real exactly below underneath. So he's not in the center, he's buried other side.
Okay. So this one is for Mumtaz and the other one, that's for Shah Jahan. And there is one more thing to identify between a man and a woman's grave.
Okay. So can you see the small tiny box on the top?
Yeah.
There is a male buried here and the female nothing on the top which is flat.
Yeah.
So easy to know who's a male and who's a female.
The flat one is for female and which one? The one which has kalamdani or what
Shah
did you say?
Jahan.
Pen stand, right?
Yeah. It's got a pen stand on the top. The box.
Yeah. So that is for male.
Male.
Yeah.
Shah Jahan. Tamil. The beautiful, the flower, it's called lotus. Okay. National flower in India.
Yeah.
National flower India. It's called lotus. But so many pieces in the flower. 64 pieces they make one flower. All are separate piece they make one flower.
Okay.
So can you imagine? They got emery wheel. They give the shape, make the pattern according to the design, according to the workmanship. Those are the. Look at the line. It is all the way straight line. That's why I told you. Taj Mahal, it is symmetrical building. Whichever you see, it's perfect symmetrical. He's coming. This is a guest house. The royal family who used to come stay in this guest house.
Okay.
And the mosque opposite side, which is look same, keep the balance. Entire the building of the Taj identical.
Yeah. It's just the stones are different.
Yes, sandstone. As I told you, softer stone.
Yeah.
Not like harder as marble. River Yamuna right there, which is coming from Delhi, Agra, join in Ganges, in Allahabad, the Sangam. It's very dry at the moment. During the monsoon, it's become full.
Yeah.
But very polluted river. Watch out the wire.
Yeah.
Agra Fort where he was in prison. He used to see Taj from the window, yes, through the diamond, which is Kohinoor diamond in London Museum.
The red one?
Red one, at the end.
Okay, you are talking about that
Agra
side?
Fort, yes. He used to see Taj from the window. That is a mosque. I'm talking about that one, far away.
Okay.
So he used to sitar from the window, throw the diamond, 8 years. Then after he died, he brought the body, buried in Taj. Agra Fort.
Agra Fort.
Agra Fort actually took 95 years to build. 4 Mughal emperor to build Agra Fort. Started by Akbar, Jahangir, Shah Jahan and Aurangzeb.
Okay.
Okay. So Agra Fort used to be named Badalgarh Fort. One more thing I like to tell you, the first name of Agra city, Badalgarh city.
Badalgarh. Okay.
Then Akbarabad.
Okay.
Then Agrasen. Now Agra.
So Badalgarh was not a Islamic name, right?
Badalgarh, which is in 12th century, before the Mughals.
Okay.
It was a fort from the beginning in 12th century. The Badalgarh fort, the Rajput, and all different dynasty came here. The big dynasty as well. They used to live. They destroyed, build over. So Akbar, he started to build again in the Mughal periods.
Okay.
But one of the biggest fort in Asia, 2.7 kilometer round.
Okay.
But 85% has been closed because of our Indian army who occupied the fort. Just offering 15% to visit for tourists.
Oh, that's sad.
So this is the end of the history of the Taj. If you have any question to ask, you can ask before we leave.
No.
समझ में आ गया भैया सब? मजा आ गया?
मजा आ गया. Mosque.
हाँ मजा.
तो इसके बारे में है कुछ details?
This is a Taj Mosque actually, and this is built from the 17th century as well. And the beautiful building, which is huge mosque. One more thing, it is called Shahi Mosque.
Okay.
I like to tell you something very important about the Shahi Mosque and Unshahi Mosque.
Okay.
Shahi Mosque actually 3 arches.
Okay.
Down, left, and the big arches. In the Jama Masjid and anywhere if you go, if you find 3 arches, means Shahi Masjid.
Okay.
If you find 1 arches or 2 arches, that's simple mosque.
Okay.
So remember that.
So you are talking about these 3 arches, the center one.
3 entrance.
Yeah, 3 entrance.
The
Okay.
mosque, right?
Okay.
So that means the Shahi Masjid.
Okay.
Garden, as you can see around here, that's a beautiful Persian garden.
These are Persian gardens.
And it's called Char Bagh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. That is a beautiful name of the garden, Char Bagh. Har cheez square mein. That's called Char Bagh.
Okay.
And entire the main gate, fountain, how symmetrical. How symmetrical, it's perfectly the line. I mean, can you imagine? And back then, no computer, nothing. How the beautiful symmetrical they done in back then. So, Mumtaz tomb, gate, and all in the line.
And this Char Bagh has this some Quranic description of paradise, no?
Exactly.
So what is it? I mean, do you know?
Because Quran, we call that a Char Bagh. Char plus Char, 8 way to paradise.
8 way to paradise, okay. So in Humayun's tomb,
once you enter, it is an octagon shape.
Yeah, octagon shape.
So Taj Mahal, it's not a square building.
Yeah.
Remember when we inside, it is octagon shape.
It is octagon.
So that's 8 way to paradise.
8 ways to paradise, right.
So this building is very similar of the Humayun tomb.
And then there were 4 rivers, I mean, symbolic to rivers in paradise.
Yeah, river means देखो 4 river. 1, 2, 3, 4. पानी, दूध, शहद. पानी, दूध, शहद.
And wine also, yeah. How many languages do you speak?
3.
3. So
With Hindi 4.
with Hindi 4. Okay. So what are the other 3?
Russian, Japanese, English, Hindi.
Okay. Alrighty, so this is it from one of the 7 wonders of the world, the Taj Mahal. Signing off and moving towards the exit, which is the south gate, and outside of that is the market, the bazaar. So we will explore that too. So I hope the video was informative and you liked it. So cheers.